In the ReN3 platform, we have already uploaded all the source materials required in order to analyze a particular stock. This includes source material in a variety of data formats including audio, video, images, and text, all of which the ReN3 platform can handle.
So now I'm just looking at a couple of stocks. In that, Zomato is the one that really stands out.
For video files, ReN3 will extract a variety of information including objects, text, and even faces. All audio in the video file is also transcribed and passed over to the large language model to make sense of its contents. ReN3 is also able to process audio files such as MP3. A waveform of the MP3 is shown.
So don't be surprised, इसका इतना value हो गया, Zomato का 1,40,000.
Everything said in the audio is transcribed, even when it's in a different language other than English. ReN3 can handle up to 90 different languages spoken in the world. However, as the user, you can ask ReN3 anytime in your own language to understand what's being said. The built-in large language model will explain it to you. Now let's take a look at the other type of source material that was uploaded. In a folder called Zomato, I've included annual reports in PDF as well. I've also included quarterly earning transcripts for Zomato in another folder. I've even included a company profile of Zomato as a PowerPoint presentation deck as well. Now I want to generate my investment report in a certain style. So I've uploaded a rough template of how I want my investment report to look like. It must basically have a company overview, a section on competitive advantage, and some other key sections. I can define it any way I like. With all my source materials ready, I'm now finally ready to use ReN3's deep research feature to generate the investment report. First, I attach the template so that ReN3 knows how to format the report based on the sections I need. I issue a prompt to the AI in English asking it to generate an investment report for me based on the template and my knowledge base. The AI gets to work and starts reasoning about the task, thinking about how to best create this investment report from all the data I've uploaded. It shows you its thinking process as well. Using ReN3's enterprise features, it cross-checks all information and sanitizes data using a double LLM approach, leading to higher accuracy and authenticity of the responses. Finally, the investment report in both DOCX and PDF is ready. Let's take a look. It manages to create bar charts highlighting the financial performance of the company from which the numerical data was retrieved from the annual report in the knowledge base. It creates visual depiction of all the other data that was uploaded. You can see several different sections created in the report, including even competitor analyses and key financial information. Finally, it provides a summary section outlining if a general investor should invest or not in the company. That's quite a report. Now, every investment company has its own set of criteria to evaluate if they should or should not invest. Let's see how we can evaluate this report even further. ReN3 provides an agentic AI module which allows you to build agents that perform specific tasks. In this example, we'll see an investment portfolio checker agent which will evaluate the suitability of the stock for investment based on a set of pre-established criteria. In the setup page of this agent, I've provided a simple prompt that tells the agent to evaluate an uploaded DOCX investment report and provide its comments on the sidebar based on the uploaded investment criteria. In the knowledge base folder of this agent, I've uploaded the investment criteria, which is basically some scribbling on a piece of paper on which I took as a screenshot with my iPhone. Yes, ReN3 can even OCR images such as this and use the input for its processing. Now let's run the agent. I upload the investment report generated earlier and the AI gets to work. You can see live output from the agent. It's done. Now, if you expand the output folder of the agent, you will be able to see the commented DOCX. Let's take a look. On the sidebar of the DOCX file, you see comments from the AI on each section of the page based on each investment criteria that was highlighted on that piece of paper earlier. It tells you in the end, based on the investment criteria you're looking out for, it's a 7 out of 10 in terms of match, and it tells you that this could be a good investment. Since the commented report is now stored in the ReN3 repository, you might now want to set some enterprise access rights so that only specific people can get access to that file. If you need to now send that commented investment report to the upper management and the senior directors, you can even build your own routing workflow to route the document through a specific business process. You can build workflows that are serial or parallel, and even create conditional routing based on specific scenarios.